Welcome to this lesson on graphing linear equations. Today, we are going to learn the point plotting method, which is a fundamental skill in algebra. It is a reliable and straightforward way to turn an equation into a visual line. First, what exactly is a linear equation? Simply put, it is a mathematical statement that produces a straight line when you draw it on a graph. These equations describe a relationship between two variables, usually x and y. You will often see them written in forms like y equals mx plus b. To graph these equations, we use the coordinate plane. This system is made up of two number lines that cross each other. The horizontal line is called the x-axis, and the vertical line is the y-axis. They meet at the center point, called the origin, where both values are 0. The strategy we are using today is simple logic. An equation is like a rule. To find the line, we need to find specific pairs of numbers that follow this rule. We will choose some input values for x, calculate the matching output values for y, and then connect the dots. Let's look at an example. We want to graph the equation y equals 2x minus 1. To do this, we set up a table. We can choose any numbers we want for x, but it is best to pick simple ones. Let's use 0, 1, and 2. Now let's do the math. We substitute our x values into the equation to find y first. If x is 0, y equals 2 times 0 minus 1, which gives us negative 1. Next, if x is 1, y is 2 times 1 minus 1, which is 1. Finally, if x is 2, the result is 3. Here is our completed table. By doing those calculations, we have found three coordinate pairs, 0, negative 1, 1, 1, and 2, 3. These pairs represent specific locations on our graph. Step 3 is to place these points onto the coordinate plane. We find 0 on the x-axis and go down to negative 1. Then we go to 1 on the x-axis and up to 1. Finally, we go to 2 on the x-axis and up to 3. Notice how they line up perfectly. The final step is to connect these dots. Take a ruler and draw a straight line through all 3 points. Extend the line past the points in both directions to show that the pattern continues forever. How can we be sure we are correct? We can pick a point on our new line that wasn't in our original table, like negative 1, negative 3. If we plug negative 1 into our equation, the math gives us negative 3. Since it matches, we know our line is drawn correctly. Here are a few tips to make your graphs professional. Always use a ruler for straight lines. Add small arrows at the ends of your line to indicate it goes on infinitely. And finally, label your line with its equation so everyone knows what it represents. To recap, graphing by point plotting involves 4 main steps. Create a table of values, calculate y for your chosen x values, plot those coordinate pairs, and connect them with a straight line. With practice, this will become second nature. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.